Santa's name. Wow!
There's a gas leak in the building. Everyone get out now. This is an emergency.
We'll be fine if we just don't freak out. It's all right. It's okay. We'll be all right if we just stay cool. Just stay cool, guys. Just don't light a match. Oh, come on. Oh, no.
Miss?
This is the PA. There's an announcement on the PA.
What PA?
Stairmaster's open. You know, for your...
Miss?
Yeah. Look at me. Naked in there, okay? Just kidding. Sorry about that, you guys. I'm crazy. I had to show a room full of guys my naked breasts because of you.
That's a nice gesture, but unnecessary, dear.
Oh, I was,